Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you guys some Colourpop products that I bought. I recently went online and bought some stuff and yeah, let's just get into the video. So I already unboxed everything because I've been waiting for this to come in the mail for a while. And the first thing I'm going to be sharing with you guys is a palette. It's called the Good Sport palette. It's called the Good Sport palette and I bought it because it was very like fall-like and it has like some pretty colors in there. So this is what the palette looks like. I have already used it to do this makeup look. I didn't film it because I'm not a makeup person, but when I do get better I will maybe share some tutorials. So here are the colors from the palette. And the colors that I used for this makeup look are Wild Out, Rookie, Sista, Reckless, High Hopes, and Hooky. So it's like a really cute fall palette. I really like it. It has a really nice colors in there. I only have one main eyeshadow palette and it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette, and I have another Urban Decay like glittery eyeshadow palette, but I hardly use that one. But this is like a go-to palette for me now because I don't have a lot of like bright colors in my eyeshadow collection. So this is the Good Sport palette. Yeah, the next three products I have are lip glosses, and I got all ultra glossy lip glosses. So I'll start with the first one. It's in the color Here's to You, and it's just this like really pretty corally pinkish color. Yeah, corally pinkish color. It's called Here's to You. I think this is the one with a different wand. Yeah, it has like this wand. It's like a brush kind of thing. And it smells really good. Yeah, so I got this color. If you guys want me to do swatches on these products, I can do that in another video. The next color I have is called My Forte, which is the one I'm wearing right now. It's like a bubblegum pink lip gloss. In the shade My Forte, and it's just your regular wand, regular gloss wand. Hopefully that focuses. It's really pretty, as you can see, really pretty on the lips. It's not as pink as I thought it would be, but I probably have to build it up. I literally only did like one coat on top, one coat on bottom, and I think it's because it's more of like a holographic kind of colored lip gloss. And the last lip gloss I got is from the Shayla collection, and it's in the color Neat Freak. And it's just like this cute like peachy-ish, I think more peachish lip gloss color. It's really pretty and it has like this gold topping, and it's just your regular lip gloss wand like the other one. Now I've swatched all of them and they look similar on my wrist. I would have to do like side-by-side comparisons to actually show the color difference, but those are the three ultra lip glosses that I got. And next I had gotten some just some single press powder colors. So if you're buying the press powder colors and it shows you the case with the color online, the case comes packaged separately. So I got the case packaged separately from the eyeshadow, and what I did was peel off the eyeshadow color at the back and stick it to the back of the package so I know what color I'm using either in filming. Yes, I know what color I'm using either in filming or just in general when I'm using my colors, my eyeshadow, sorry. So you just unpackage it like this. Comes in like a clear package. I'm just going to show you guys how to put it in, and then I'll show you the other colors that I have. And then it comes with a little cute mirror inside, and the magnet is what sticks to the pressed powder. So all I did was like open it up. I left the shadow in here, and then I peel off the sticker. I kind of ripped that one, but it's okay. And then I just stick it to the back of the little casing that it comes with, so I know what colors I'm using. And then just like if you were to buy like MAC single shades, they come in like the little pans. So then you just, oh no, I think my nail went in it, crap. It's okay. But I was really happy with the packaging from Colourpop this time, because the first time I ordered from Colourpop, all my shadows came crushed, and all they did was give me like a little coupon code thing, which I didn't even get to use because I didn't want to buy anything else and risk my eyeshadow coming cracked again. So I fixed them and set them, but I ended up giving them away. So I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit more, and then I'm going to show you the 6 shades that I got in the single pressed powder. So the first color that I have is in the shade Paper Tiger. Ooh. And it's like this really nice mustard yellow. It's so pretty. It's such a pretty color. I'm gonna just open up all of them. The second color that I have is called Bassline. This is the one I just put in and I accidentally scratched it, but it's such a nice like glittery blue color, so pretty. The next color I got is in the color Sandbar. It's this nice pink, bright pink colored eyeshadow. These are colors that I would never wear, but I feel like I'd be able to get some like fire eyeshadow looks with these. The next color is Prowling. It's like I want to like call these almost like fairy dust colors. I don't know, it's such a pretty iridescent pink kind of thing. The next color I love, it's royal blue in the shade Backstage. Really nice blue color. This would look really good on the waterline. So this is Backstage. And the last color is in the shade Howlin. So we got Prowling and Howlin. And it's just a really light pink shade. Like a pink bubblegum shade. So that's pretty much it for this Colourpop unboxing. If you're wondering what I'm doing to my hair, stay tuned for that video, because this video is gonna come out before this video, maybe. If not, I will put it in my cards above on how I got my hair like this. I'm doing just a ponytail, another ponytail video. I'm not gonna ruin the surprise, but again, thanks for stopping by. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want me to share how I get like some neat coupon codes when I order my stuff online, it's a little secret, but I'm gonna let you guys know. Just comment below, subscribe, name one product out of this video that you want to try, and maybe I'll let you in on that little secret. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!